Colin's going to cut my hair system in today. Just going to show you the lace there. And look at that baby. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Why you should have a hair system. Alright, so there we go.
Laid out.
That excess lace, as I mentioned before, is there just in case we need to do hair ads. If it's not there and the order comes back not quite correct, then we can't do anything about it. So something the factory that I've been with for a long time does, which I'm grateful for. And like I mentioned before, a new blade is used for every hair system. It's got to be a really sharp surgical edge because it can fray otherwise. The blue tape I use around the perimeter, I leave this free in the middle because when I'm working out it just breathes easier for me, and I use an adhesive at the front on the front lace. Come on in, come say hello Colin, lean in. Colin's doing my fitting today, all lace system, plenty of grey, 60% grey I think in there is, 80% in this bugger. Getting old, as Colin kind of reminded me last night.
I'm joining you rapidly, mate.
Right, so Colin's going to crack on. This is Hair for All Hemel in Hertfordshire. That takes care of all the people, and a lot of people from London go to him. So you're going to see his great work. The first level was number 5, and Colin said he's going to do number 4 and check the blending.
Beautiful.
Look at that! The grey man with a bit of blonde. My little Red Riding Hood look. Help! Me with a forward look.
Yeah.
By the way everyone, this is my beautiful girlfriend Judy, and we just set her up for that. She's just cooked us some food. The interim period, well, 2 hungry little boys have something to eat. Hey guys, I've come back. It's now, we've got this done early February. April the 16th tomorrow, I think it is. So what's that? February, March, pretty much coming up to 12 weeks, right? This is it, 12 weeks. What do you think? I think it looks fantastic. What do you reckon, the beast? Thanks Colin, I'm absolutely loving this hair look. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.